So this is the 3D rendering that was done. You can see the simulator bone surface, and you can see that this patient has challenging anatomy with quite a bit of pelvic tortuosity and a fairly big flow lumen. These things mean some technical challenges to us doing these procedures in this field. Next. What we did is we did all the measurements for this endograft, and go to the next slide, please. And then you can see here on the simulator with that specific anatomy, placement of a diagnostic catheter. And myself and my surgical colleague were working together with the simulator, deploying initially a sheath, as you see here. And then the endograft is deployed. This is the deployment mechanism, so the deployment and haptics were pretty realistic. We deployed the graft, as you see here. We can see where the contra limb is going to open and any challenges that might be occurring. You can see the balloon expansion and the various parts of what's done during the endograft, which were done to complete. Now, actually, on the simulator, we had a type 1B endo leak, which led us to relook at the sizing and so on. So it actually was quite helpful in terms of today's case.
This simulation pre-training exercise, is this something that appeals to you?
Definitely. In terms of the safety of these procedures, there is, in my opinion, no doubt of the need for greater understanding of the three-dimensional imaging and the sizing, as Barry has stressed here, and also the simulation, which I think is quite extraordinary that he has predicted a type 1B endoleak before it happened. So this approach has got to be adopted. I'm quite certain it will minimize problems immediately around the operation and in the post-operative period.